Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your Mac meets basics, current Mac OS, and enough free disk. Once confirmed, install a trusted live wallpaper app. Wallpaper Engine on Steam or Live Desktop from the App Store are common choices. You must allow screen recording and accessibility permissions so the app can render on the desktop. Make sure to open System Settings, grant those permissions, and then relaunch the app. Doing this now avoids silent failures and lets the app access wallpapers and control playback immediately. Once done, import your chosen file. Use the app's import or workshop to add a video, GIF, or packaged wallpaper. If the file won't load, convert it to MP4H. 264 with a short encoder step. This improves compatibility and reduces CPU. Next, tune playback. Set loop, mute audio if undesired, and choose frame rate and resolution. Lower settings save battery. Make sure to preview in the app so you see exactly how it looks across multiple displays before applying it system-wide. Now apply the wallpaper to your desktop or specific spaces and confirm it appears on the intended monitor. Once applied, save a profile or lock the settings so they persist after logout or restart. If the animation doesn't show, first reopen System Settings to verify screen recording and accessibility are still granted. Next, re-export the media to MP4H. 264 and try a lower resolution or reduced frame rate. That combination fixes most issues. Reapply and restart the Mac if the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.